7-3, angles and triangles. I can find unknown angles and triangles.
Right, thanks, Campbell. First up, we have triangle sum theorem. The sum of all three angles in a triangle equal
180 degrees.
Okay, acute triangles, all angles are
Acute.
right. Obtuse triangles, one angle is
Obtuse.
Can we have all three angles be obtuse?
No.
Only one. Good. We have equilateral triangle, all angles are
Equal.
And we have isosceles triangle. Two angles and two sides are
Equal.
Can we have three angles and two sides equal?
No.
Only two angles and two sides. Scalene triangle, all the sides and angles are different. Okay, going down, finding the missing angle. Biggest thing I saw, we need to show our work. So again, show what we know about each angle, then combine like terms right away to make it easier, and then solve for the variable. Again, what does it always have to equal up to? 180 degrees. What do the dashes on the sides of the triangle mean? They're congruent. So if you see those, you'll know that every side is congruent. If you don't see those, you can't assume that they're congruent. Going down. Okay, here we had to solve for x first, and then we had to remember to go back and solve for the angles. A lot of us just stopped and we got x equals 18, but don't forget, go up and multiply so that we get the angle measures to equal 180 degrees. Good. And finally, what did we think was important here? We have to combine like terms and name the variables.